Did you know that the average household throws away enough plastic waste every year to circle the Earth 4 times? That's insane. We gotta do better, guys. Welcome to Don't Do This Guide, where we're all about ditching the bad and embracing the awesome. Today, we're diving into 10 sustainable home hacks that are easy to do and good for the planet. Are you ready to make a difference? Let's do this! Oh, and real quick, if you find any of these tips useful, smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's talk about single-use plastics. You know, those plastic bags, bottles, and containers that we use for like 5 minutes and then toss? Yeah, those are a huge problem. They end up in landfills, pollute our oceans, and harm wildlife. We gotta cut them out. But don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. There are so many awesome alternatives out there. Instead of plastic bags, grab some reusable bags. And forget about buying cases of plastic water bottles. Invest in a reusable water bottle. Plus, you'll save money in the long run. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk about food storage. Ditch the plastic wrap and those single-use plastic containers and switch to reusable options. Glass containers are awesome because you can see what's inside, and they're microwave and dishwasher safe. And hey, if you do end up with a plastic container, don't just throw it away. Wash it out and reuse it as many times as you can before recycling it. It's time to ditch those bad boys and embrace reusable alternatives. Alright guys, let's talk about composting. I know what you're thinking. Composting? That's kinda gross. But trust me, it's not as bad as you think, and it's one of the best things you can do for the environment. Think about all the food waste we produce every single day. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, eggshells. Instead of tossing that stuff in the trash, why not turn it into nutrient-rich compost for your garden? Starting a compost bin is super easy. You can buy a fancy compost bin, or you can just use a plastic tub or build your own. Just make sure it has some holes for ventilation. Once you've added your materials, give it a good mix every now and then, and make sure it stays moist, but not too wet. After a few months, you'll have beautiful, rich compost that your plants will absolutely love. Let's talk about appliances, guys. Those energy-sucking machines can really rack up your electricity bill and harm the environment. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances is one of the smartest moves you can make for your wallet and the planet. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. These bad boys meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the EPA, which means they use less energy and save you money on your utility bills. It's a win-win. Now I know what you're thinking, energy-efficient appliances are expensive. Yeah, they can be a bit pricier up front, but trust me, the long-term savings are totally worth it. Plus, think of it as an investment in a greener future. When it's time to replace your old fridge, washing machine, or dishwasher, make the switch to energy-efficient models. You'll be amazed at how much energy you can save and how much lower your utility bills will be. Unplug phone chargers, laptops, and other devices when they're not in use to save even more energy. Alright guys, let's talk about water conservation. Water is precious, and we need to do everything we can to conserve it. Plus, saving water means saving money on your water bill. Who doesn't love that? One of the easiest and most effective ways to conserve water at home is to install low-flow shower heads and faucets. These bad boys are designed to reduce the amount of water that flows out while still giving you a great shower or washing experience. Don't worry, you don't have to sacrifice water pressure for sustainability. Low-flow shower heads and faucets use innovative technology to mix air with the water, creating a powerful and refreshing flow while using significantly less water. You'll be amazed at how much water you can save with this simple switch. We're talking gallons of water down the drain every single day. And the best part is, installing low-flow fixtures is super easy and affordable. You can find low-flow shower heads and faucets at any hardware store, and they're typically a simple DIY installation. So make the switch to low-flow shower heads and faucets today. Let's talk about lighting, guys. Those old incandescent bulbs are so yesterday. They're energy hogs. They burn out quickly, and they're not doing your wallet or the environment any favors. It's time to switch to LED light bulbs. LEDs are like the superheroes of the lighting world. They're super energy efficient, using up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. That means big savings on your energy bill. And hold on, it gets even better. LEDs also last way longer than incandescent bulbs. We're talking years, people. So not only are you saving money on energy, but you're also saving money on replacement bulbs. So ditch those old, inefficient incandescent bulbs and make the switch to LEDs. Alright guys, let's talk about shopping habits. Did you know that the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world? It's true. From the water used to grow cotton to the harmful chemicals used in production, our clothes have a big impact on the environment. But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to stop shopping altogether. Instead, let's talk about a more sustainable way to refresh your wardrobe secondhand shopping. Thrifting, vintage shopping, whatever you want to call it, buying secondhand is cool, it's affordable, and it's a major win for the environment. By giving pre-loved clothes a new home, you're reducing waste, conserving resources, and saying no to fast fashion. Plus, thrifting is like a treasure hunt. You never know what amazing finds you'll uncover. And the best part, secondhand shopping is way easier on your wallet than buying new. So, next time you're in need of a wardrobe refresh, skip the mall and head to your local thrift store. Let's talk about indoor plants, guys. Not only do they add a touch of life and color to your home, but they also come with a whole host of benefits for your health and the environment. It's like bringing a little piece of nature indoors. Indoor plants are like natural air purifiers. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving the air quality in your home. So, if you're looking for a way to freshen up your living space and breathe easier, indoor plants are your new best friend. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress, boost your mood, and even improve your concentration. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. Indoor plants add a touch of life, color, and texture to any room. Whether you prefer leafy ferns, vibrant succulents, or flowering plants, there's an indoor plant out there to suit every style and personality. Just give them some sunlight, water them regularly, and show them a little love. Let's talk about cleaning products, guys. Those conventional cleaners filled with harsh chemicals, yeah, they're not only bad for the environment, but they can also be harmful to your health. The good news is, you can ditch those toxic cleaners and make your own eco-friendly cleaning products right at home. DIY cleaning solutions are super easy to make, they're affordable, and they work just as well as those store-bought cleaners. One of my favorite DIY cleaning recipes is a simple all-purpose cleaner. Just mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a fresh scent, and you're good to go. This magical concoction can tackle everything from countertops to floors. For a heavy-duty cleaner, mix baking soda with a little bit of water to form a paste. And don't forget about the power of lemons. Lemons are naturally antibacterial and antiseptic, making them a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. Let's talk about insulation, guys. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's an important one. Proper insulation is key to keeping your home comfortable year-round, reducing your energy bills, and minimizing your environmental impact. Think of insulation like a warm blanket for your house. It helps keep the warm air in during the winter, and the cool air in during the summer, preventing energy loss and making your heating and cooling systems work more efficiently. If your home is poorly insulated, you're essentially throwing money out the window. Literally. Heat escapes through poorly insulated walls, roofs, and windows, forcing your heating system to work harder and driving up your energy bills. The good news is, improving your home's insulation is a worthwhile investment that will pay off for years to come. You can add insulation to your attic, walls, and crawl spaces to create a more energy-efficient and comfortable living space. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget about those drafts. Check your windows and doors for air leaks and seal them up with weather stripping or caulk. Let's talk about rainwater harvesting, guys. It's like having a free, sustainable water source right in your backyard. With a little bit of effort, you can collect rainwater and use it to water your plants, wash your car, or even flush your toilets. Rainwater harvesting is easier than you might think. All you need is a rain barrel or cistern to collect the water, a downspout diverter to direct the water from your roof to the barrel, and a few other basic materials. When it rains, the water that falls on your roof is channeled through your gutters and downspouts. A downspout diverter intercepts the water and directs it into your rain barrel, where it's stored for later use. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chlorine and other chemicals found in tap water, making it ideal for watering plants. But the benefits of rainwater harvesting go beyond gardening. You can use rainwater to wash your car, clean your outdoor furniture, or even flush your toilets. There you have it. 10 sustainable home hacks that are easy to implement and can make a big difference for the planet. Remember, every little bit counts. You don't have to do everything at once. Just pick 1 or 2 hacks that resonate with you and start there. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.